Security Vanguard. Obowo Security Vanguard. Proactive.
Obowo Security Vanguard.
Achọrọ m iji ohere a ịgwa ụmụ Obowo okwu, ndị ọgaranya nọ n'Obowo, ka unu were anya unu wee hụ, werekwe ntị unu wee gere na mụnwa na-ekwu okwu. Aha m bụ Obioma Godwin, the commander Obowo Security Vanguard, zonal commander of Igbo zone. Now, all the gallant soldiers, you can see a lot of them. Ị ga-ahụkwa ha niile. Onwe ka obi dị mma. Ị ga-ahụ ihu ha na otu jọla ha njọ. Ama m ihe anyị ga-ekete na a ga-enwe ndị dị otu a si from different autonomous communities. Were ndụ ha chụọ aja kwere sị ha ga-esevu Obowo. Wee kwubie sị Fulani wụrụ mmụọ wụrụ mmadụ na ha ga-akụnyụ ha ka ọkụ. Ama m ihe o ji araga ụmụ Obowo ahụ ndị ọgaranya ịpụta be enye aka sọpọtụ ndị a. Ị bịa na lokal gọọmenti ndị ọzọ, ahịa eji aka ha ejikere ha. Asị o wee rijuo afọ eme gịnị? Azụbịa Obowo ka ya ọfụrụ iche. Ọwụzi ka ndị a were ndụ ha chụọ aja asị kama jisie nke ụkwụ. Ọwụ ha lakpuo. Ọ ga-adị mma. Ana m ajụ ndị ọgaranya nọ n'Obowo. Ndị a na-alakpuo n'ụlọ ha, so onye ọbụla chewe onwe ya. Ọ ga-adị mma. So ana m eji ohere a na-agwa ụmụ Obowo. Unu agalaghị ile anya sị na ọha ụwa ga-ahapụrụ gọọmenti ihe niile. Maka na security dịrị gị nwa na mụnwa. Security is now n'Obowo ọwụ in the whole state. All this is very hot. Week abụọ gara aga ndị Fulani sikwa ebe ha si. Ọkwa ndị a ndị tụwara ha tụwasị ya back to Mbaise. Ma a na-agba n'aka achọ ụgbara ụdọ aka. So ana m eji ohere a na-eme obere onyonyo a ịgwa ụmụ Obowo na ndị a niile bụ ndị nchekwa kpebiri si ndị Obowo ha ndị chọrọ lụfuru anyị ọkpụkpụ anụ, hapụrụ anụ ọgụ anyị na ndị mmụọ. Mmụọ Obowo fụtanụ wetanụ ihe eji arụ ọrụ maka na ndị ga-arụ ya na ya. Ndị kwere mkpasị a ga-arụ ya mekwa gịnị na ya. Echi gara aga anyị nọ nga mmiri niile ndị anyị bụ mmiri a nọ taa kwa anyị abịakwala. Echi na-abịa abịa nga ị ga-ahụzi ya n'iwu na the forest, different forest n'Obowo. Maka na anyị agaghị anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọkụ. Unu kwesị ụmụ Obowo sizitunu charity work. Anọrọ ka azụọ trailer load of rice. Onye ka ga-azụọ 2 lorry load of akwa. Ka ga-azụọ nke anya. Mana mmụọ na-ekwusị inyecha ndị mmadụ rice, o rie ya banye n'ime ọhịa ndị Fulani gbuo ya. Ọ dị mma? Sizienu charity work, invest more now na security. Lebata n'anya na nchekwa nke obodo maka na ndị iro nọ anyị n'azụ. Ọ bụrụ ma ị kpọrọ ụmụ gị ala bekee ga-edobe ha, cherekwa na nwanne mpa gị na ya, cherekwa na nwanne mpa gị na ya, cherekwa na ndị ọgọ gị nwaanyị na ọgọ gị nwoke mere gị na ya. Ị ga n'ibia.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Please hit the like button and share. Very, very important that you share this very program. Hit the like button. It doesn't really matter where you are, and which divide that you are. You must hit the like button, because anything I tell you on this very platform is the honest truth. The honest truth. But you know, most of the people here, ajọ mmụọ ji ha aka. Yeah, most of those insulting themselves here, ajọ mmụọ ji ha aka, so they will prefer to hide under their woman wrapper, or under their mommy's bed, or use their mommy's wrapper to cover themselves and lie to themselves and come here to comment trash. So let me move on this very program. Unu ahụna ka o si wee gbatakwuru. The first video that you watch is Obowo security bagger. I have said this thing before. Any security that you create in your towns and in your villages, you put it on social media, is dead on arrival. Is dead on arrival. At worst, it will benefit those who created it. In case if you don't know, they will be summoned by the same Fulani, unknowingly that they are being summoned by the same Fulani. They will use our Igbo brothers, and they will tell them something like this, that it's not good for you to kill Fulani. Don't worry. Once you people capture them, bring it to us. I can assure you, justice is not that time that justice is not being served. We will follow it to the logical conclusion. We will make sure that those Fulanis are being brought to book. They will give them money, promise them many posts. If you do well, we will promote you to the state, and you go there, their heads will swell up. They have started sabotaging the people that they brought. This is just the honest truth. From experience, I am letting you to know from experience what have transpired in the past. From experience, do not put any of your security outfit on social media. You are not here to please anyone. Your communities, you can go and meet them. Don't even put it in their WhatsApp group. Let it be between you people. Never you agree to appear on video. Let it be between the creators, because your superiors will be bribed. You, as ordinary, you will pay the price. They are going to come and kidnap you. And your superiors will tell the village, we will not agree. We will make sure that you are being released. Lie. He is then working with them. That I can assure you. He is then working with them. The agenda is to Islamize our land, and they have accomplices. First, what the APC have done in order to enable Fulani is to mandate the kings. How many of you know that the kings are being called upon a meeting and warn them? Any community that Fulani is being killed, they will be stripped of their kingship. Go to your king and ask your king this thing now that I'm telling you. It was done in a meeting. All these Umuefulefu that you are seeing, calling them governors, ask them, did you call the kings of Igbo land and warn them not to kill Fulani? Did you call them and warn them not to kill Fulani? So, the reason I am reminding all these villages that is saying, oh, we are creating security, oh, we are doing this, is because that your security is dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival. So far, you put it on social media, it's dead on arrival. But if you create it and keep it between yourself to safeguard your women, to safeguard your village, you comb your areas, it is allowed. Let me give you people an instance. Now you have created Obowo security this thing and put it on social media. Did you think that if you buy any Fulani, that the Fulani will fold hands? They will use the Nigerian government, they will use DSS to come into the village, and the rest becomes history. They will set your villages on fire. They will call you people miscreants and criminals. Do you see the reason? I have been warning this, but our people doesn't hear. I don't know what is it that is living on the brain, in the brain of our people, that they come on social media to disgrace themselves. You have created a security without gun. Secondly, if the Fulanis doesn't come with a cow, they will come by intelligence to strike, because they have known that some empty barrels are in the village trying to apprehend them. They will come by intelligence. First, let it be known that our Igbo brothers are complicit just because of ego. Nchanche ego Abuja that they are getting from Abuja. They have decided to sell their land. Are you aware? How many of you are aware that some of our Igbo brothers are complicit into this because of 1 naira, 2 naira that they get? So those are the people that will be giving them intelligence when you are asleep. There is something that the Fulanis said in Abuja after the Fulanis all over the world gathered with the Yoruba Muslim and Igbo Muslim. They said that they have agreed to Islamize Nigeria, that the Igbo Muslim are away, the Yoruba Muslim are away. They said it in Abuja. Do you think that that thing is bluffing? If it is bluffing, go to Enugu State. Enugu is now housing, and I am telling the CRC, you have a great work to do. You have a very great work to do. There is Enugu State. In Enugu State, all these Umuokoko, all these retired Ndoshin and Dama Fulani have recruited in order to Islamize Igbo land. They are busy carrying it out evangelism. And your people need to carry thy kingdom come evangelism to them. It is not by choice, but a must. You need to go and evangelize, preach the good news to them. By the spoken words of thy kingdom come, and his will be done on earth. That's the only thing that will make these morons shaping their nonsense. They are now telling our own people, in our own face. Let me put this very video so you understand the mess that we are in. Please watch this very video.
Yes, I'm very sure of him. Nigel, that's one name, Islam, kind of wish to tell so that you clear the road and the back and the back, to make you with the balance. So I don't need it. Kamani Kani, Kobu Kaki Guani Japana, Laser Catching in Shipa, Kaja Bayana, and those who take it pass. Mam the Juvenile weekend are probably going to buy. Only now, what you get a Sokita, what you can imagine, not the way you get this name when you go Muslim. The man don't have to go free. What can you get in Yamana Madibo, when I actually go to the Islam? Islam and Navajo are a wish. Chineke Boni Berry Broni, Muslim, Chineke Berry Muchi. Overall, okay, you are Muslim, he was able to have to so what we need no matter position of no matter what we need, no matter how many no matter what we there, let's check it now. Makana go by the possibility now rule of Aronia.
Una Hugonia, Okuna watch here. Have you seen the menace that we are in? Now let me interpret what this guy is saying before Mnabapi also. He is saying that let the Igbo Muslims show it in their behavior. They should not instigate, oh, this one is not, this one is this. Do you know what he is telling our Igbo brothers? Stop pursuing Fulani. He said all of us came from the same Abraham, Adam. He is telling you to accommodate much Aboki in your land. Marry more Aboki. There is no division anymore. Show it in your own behavior. But why this guy is busy telling you all of these things? And again, what he is trying to tell you again, those who do not believe in Islam, fight them. Because that is what he means. Na-emepụta ya n'omume. Anyị niile si na otu Adam. Do you see the menace? Enugu State is gone like this. They are becoming big every time in Enugu. Go and check what I am telling you. CRC, please. It has fallen under you to curtail all these things. We are waiting for no one. Nobody will do it. If you agree that you are there for Biafra people, to fight for Biafra people, this is the things that you will do. Curtail all of this. All of this nonsense, curtail it. Yes, how do you curtail it? The kingdom of God suffered violence, and only the violence one taketh it by force. I'm not telling anyone to be violent, but I am telling anyone to go into prayer. Inside our prayer section, there is what we call ratata in the spirit of Rababa. Anoint much people there under the spirit of speaking in tongues. Make sure that you gravitate in the heavenly hallelujah. If you can understand, prayer is the key. Make use of your brain to interpret. Prayer is the key. Much more prayers needed in these areas, so as to allow the evil spirit that is occupying these very people to leave. Much more prayer. If you know how you can pray, go into these areas and pray. The pastors and bishops of heaven, the holy pastors, you need preaching. You need prayers in these whole areas. I am letting you people to know. It is not by choice. It is by must. If you must survive. Because what these very people are planning is not now. Next 10 years, 20 years, how will you be? Because anybody who adopt Islam now, the child will definitely become Islam. Anybody who goes to close to the Ndaboki now, bring them, Ryan and the Fulani, for the child must grow to embrace them. And by so doing, in the next 20, 30 years, in fact, in the next 15 years, our life will be like those in Zamfara. The lives of those in Zamfara, Kaduna, Benue, Makode, and the rest of the areas that these very people have engulfed. Is this what you wish for yourself? This is how they entered in the north, started preaching this nonsense. All these very hoodlums are preaching everywhere. This is what they did to the north people. Today, they have failed. Not an area that belongs to the Hausa people, the Jukuns, and all the indigenous tribes, which I have forgotten by their indigenous names. Today it has failed, and Fulani is ruling them. That is what they are bringing before you. That thing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu preach is before you. You are seeing it. An Igbo man, a claimed Igbo man, is standing up to tell you that, they want the conquest of the Igbo. That is what they are saying, but everyone is keeping quiet. I, Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, is here, and I will speak. Just hit the like button and share. It has come. If you are waiting, these very people are used as spies. And let me tell you what is happening. Do you see the areas that Fulanis are attacking? These very people serve as spies in those areas. They will call their fellow Igbo nonsense, all these ones, all these Umuefulefu claiming to be Igbo. They will ask them, hey, how is are you people putting security? This menace of Fulani, have you put security? Those areas will say, we put security. Who are they? Where are they? We want to give them something. They will think that they want to give them something. They will sabotage them. They will come and kidnap them. And then they will tell Fulani, go. We are giving you backup. We are the same. We are Igbo Muslims. We will make sure that we are the same with our brothers. And this nonsense is what they are going to tell themselves. Tomorrow, Fulani will wake up and wipe them. Then they will be crying, oh, we helped you. Because the people in the north help Fulanis to capture their own land. Today, what have their life become? Nothing. Nothing. They have practically become wanderers in their own land. They have practically become wanderers in their own land. And one of the things that the Fulanis made and achieved is to capture the political edifice of Nigeria. They have captured it. For you to become anything, you must go and prostrate to them. Just look at the way that P2B is looking forward to address Nigeria with Fulani. Atiku as a Fulani man. Have he condemned Fulani people? Have he condemned Fulani? He cannot condemn Fulani. Atiku is a core Fulani man. And Fulani is all over the world, gathered with their elites. Gathered, have a meeting, have a resolve that they want to Islamize and conquer Nigeria, which they announced. They said that they have told the Igbo Muslims and Yoruba Muslims. Today, P2B is following Atiku. Why he is following Atiku? They are organizing, is it ADC or whatever nonsense that they are organizing. The other time, they buy people in Agolo. Now, the brain of our own people, do you think that if P2B get there, with which security apparatus will he act against the Fulani? Take a good example. Tunumbu is president and Fulani is buying people in his village. Their own villagers are protesting. Then the army and police are arresting his own village. For you to know that it goes beyond you. Once you are put there, you are just a statue. Fulani controls you. They put you there for formality's sake. You cannot do anything. If you allow yourselves and your land to be captured, you are gone as a people. You are gone. You can no longer become useful. As a person, you are gone. Is this what you want? Define what you want to yourself. You must stand up and say, this is what I want to my own self. I don't want my life to be like this. I don't want the life of my children to be like this. Oh no, we have gone past like this. We need to advance our cause. It is left in your own hand to define your own future, how your future will be. It is left in your own hand to shape your political future. And CRC, all these things are in your own court too. Because since the arrest of Mazi Simon Ekpa, nobody is acting anymore. They buy our own people. Some people say, oh, it is normal. Today, not today, they start buying us. Not today, this person is the leader. Not today, this is the nonsense that our own people are talking about. Today, they have a USB, they equally have a Nkere. And I am reading so many laughing this thing on my platform. They said that I supported Nkere, that I sing praises of Nkere. Have you seen how these people lie to themselves? And I want them to prove, bring the video of where I sing praises of Nkere, please. I need that video. This is how they lie to themselves. They know that ever since I returned, I hated Nkere. The only time I say Nkere is better than Ngozi. That's all. Better than Halemato. That's all. So if they decide to lie to themselves, it's up to them. They are using themselves, shooting themselves on the leg. We have all started running. Do you think that you can run faster than me? I have run away. I have run away, practically run away from Nigeria. And let's be sincere, you will not run faster than me. Keep on supporting the conquest of your own land. Since Mazi Simon Ekpa was arrested, have you seen anywhere in Igbo land, Fulani by person, have you seen anybody standing up to command those areas? The answer is no. Every one of them is only on fundraising. Only on fundraising. People will donate money, okay? Yeah, to all this is Irat, Parawa, and the rest of them. All these people typing rubbish. Do you think that some of them are here to get your freedom? All those idiots talking rubbish. They are not here to get you freedom. They are here to make money. Today, I'm asking all of you, the conscientious ones to unite. If you think that these very people controlling medias are there for you, you are lying to yourself. You must unite. Come out from the back of these scavengers. They are hyenas and jackals approved by my spiritual manifesto. They told you, they lied to you that I prophesied about Nkere. This is how they lied. And I want them to be providing evidence. I come and read their nonsense here. Oh, this is how you backed Nkere and supported Nkere. Me? Upon all my program, have you seen everywhere I dedicate my program to support Nkere or come out and say, oh, Nkere is doing this and doing that? If you hear me any, I will say that the BLA have come out to say that they are getting money from Brigi. But you people are the ones saying who is in charge. Nkere, I have warned you people that this leadership supersedes persons. It is because you people are aslikas. That is the reason why your land is going. You are shameless. You can't talk. Talk now, they will sanction you. Talk, they will remove you from your WhatsApp groups. Talk. Just say one word. Is this what you want for yourself? Is this what you want for your own people? Do you want to destroy your own self by yourself? Self-inflicted injury is what we are undergoing. Obonye ya kwonto so Obowo ya kwonto onye kwonto so butue. Onye ebe onye aha na kwonto. Who authorized you to stand up? You don't have the power. This is what is happening to us. How many months have gone? Our land is fast being taken. You people are on social media playing politics. Can't you people be ashamed of yourselves? Can't you people be ashamed of yourselves? We must be sure of what we want. We must be sure of what we want. Finally, the people that are brandishing all this security of a 10, it's good for you to situate a security to be able to monitor your own selves, to be able to secure your own selves. It is good. It is a welcome development that you do this. But another thing is, do not put it on social media if you want to succeed. Don't put it on social media if you want to succeed. Do not put it on social media. I repeat again. Do not put it on social media if you want to succeed. It will be a resolve between yourselves. Don't make it to be a social media stuff. That's just it. That is just it. That is if you want to succeed. If you don't want to succeed, then keep on putting it on social media. And finally, CRC. For you people to have a smooth environment, look at all these villages that are being tormented. Go in there. Their security apparatus, handle, arm them. Let them be your spy. Let it be between you and the youths. Between you and the youths. No other person from the village is going to know, so that the Nigerian military wouldn't go to the village and start killing. Tell them that they should not put their security apparatus on social media. This is the time. Now, there is a voice that was circulating, which some of them were saying that since the Biafra Liberation Army occupy Okigwe, that there is no Fulani in Okigwe. All of you know that Okigwe, Fulanis have it as their bed. And they said, look at what they said, this is in the DOS. They said since the criminals, they defined these very people as criminals. Since the criminals occupied Okigwe, that there is no Fulani in Okigwe anymore. And this very guy cannot point to you one village that they, the criminals who are claiming Eastern Security Network today, have stopped Fulani invasion. They cannot show you. But they are pointing, oh, Olu and Okigwe, that they have moved to Okigwe. Just look at what they are doing. And he started it. I don't know if the voice is here. Let me put it. The voice where he is lamenting like Onye Bupur Batteria. Talking rubbish. Talking rubbish. Action is what is needed, or otherwise we will go down in history. Our land will be taken. The outside land is taken. So your land is next. You will be taken and you will be displaced. Keep on playing this very politics that you are playing. Politics of destruction. Destroying your own self by your own self. Because you hated a lot of people. You hated some people. So you want to destroy your own self. You will and think that you are doing very well. Just like what our own people are doing by themselves. Saying, oh, USB. Okwane ebundi mad in the land of Biafra. Call USB. Just I am giving them time. As I can Nkere, they should wait and see. The game will be played. And they will be posting it by themselves. The game will be played. I'm letting you to know. I go into that game. They will be posting it by themselves. This is freedom. Freedom speaks very loud. Freedom is sure. Freedom is pure. If you want your own freedom, chase it and grab it. Do not hide at the back of Nokia 3310 to talk rubbish. Chase your own freedom, grab your own freedom, pursue your own freedom, and stand up and defend your own freedom, because freedom is number one. Freedom is pure. I hate no one. I hate no one. We are being killed. We are endangered species today. You cannot run to north. You cannot run to west. That your land is where you will stay and defend. Those who sabotage the then Eastern Security Network and are seeing the conquest, even the DOS rats, they have practically turned into content creator. The useless idiot called Abalance, always blabbing on social media, have deviated, turned into content creator. Recently, I saw his video lamenting. It is very good that you are lamenting, but you told our people lies for all along. That Mazi Simon Ekpe is a Nigerian agent, despite the fact, see him acting, protecting our Igbo. Today you are calling the governors. You sabotage your own brother. You are now calling those who are being put in their seat by Fulani. What do you want them to do? What do you want them to do? They are Fulani ass lickers, and they can't do anything. Today you are seeing it. The conquest of your land is happening before you. Keep on blabbing. Our villages are gone. The only place that you can see more population now is in the town. And once they finish with you in the village, they will come to town. Where will you run to? I'm asking all of you. When these very people come, where will you run to? Who will you call? Then you start lamenting. You did what is happening to you by your own self. You destroyed your own self because of self-hate. You destroyed your own self. Because of self-hate. A blackmailer, child. The same thing people supporting USB is doing today. They are blackmailing themselves. Waiting for USB to act is just like waiting for horse to fly. It's just like waiting for horse to fly above the sky. If not only mountain of jumping, horse can never fly. If not jumping from one area to the other, horse can never fly. It's just like waiting for them. Because I already got the intels. Eze amụrụ n'obi ha jere jeme commander, ahụrụ m ihe ọ na-eme, akpọkọrọ ndị mmadụ ma ole shie ka ego ma ole shie eme ihe a. I am getting all the intels. Ọkwa nke m buputere bịa social media mbịa gwa gị na ana m egeti ya. Ọ bụrụ na m chọrọ ị na-soil hand in blood, I can track the idiot down. But I don't soil my hands in blood. I don't partake in the security apparatus. Apart from getting information that I use on my program, I don't partake. I get in my informations. The ones that I can use, I use it. The ones that I cannot use, I drop it. I am Onyebuchi Ashiburobi, known as the Gracia. Let me search for this very voice of where the DOS are lamenting on themselves and check if I can put it so that everyone here can listen themselves. So the voice that I'm looking for, I don't see it, but it's teaching time saves night. You see, it seems that from the source that voice was sent to me, they have deleted it because it's no longer downloading. It's saying failed. So I will have to stop here. Finally, I hate no one. CRC, you must stand up. All these are Igbo. What is happening? Somebody must stand up to act in the capacity, give a press statement, command the army to go those areas, and we see the result by our own selves. That way, we can be able to make these very people being afraid of us. Otherwise, they will continue to divide us. And finally, I am begging everyone, now is the time for us to unite. If you don't want to unite, you are the only one that knows the reason that you don't want unity. All these people that you follow, ask yourself, what is the effect of ala Igbo na-aga n'ike n'ike? Anyị na-watch ya. Ala Igbo na-ala. A na-egbuzi anyị na-amasaka anyị. Ebe anyị na-atụkwa ego, unu na-atụ ego for protection of ala Igbo. You are not seeing it. You are not seeing it. We appear divided. That's oge Nkere. Ndị oge Nkere na-akwụ ụgwọ are busy marketing. Or if they don't market him, how will they get paid? How will they get paid? And by the way, their payment is going to be cut because there is no more much. So they have to, even if it is 5 naira that is coming, they need to hold it like that. I want you to know that some people have taken Biafra as business, disbursing money, and they will come and confuse you. You will buy their own confusion, and your land is going. You have no answer to you what is happening in your own land. What can I say? Shame unto you. Shame unto you. The only thing that you need now is to rally around, unite yourselves. If you appear divided, the enemies will take your land. Because this one will never agree to one, this one will never agree to one, and the enemy will come in between and use this one to strike this one. While you are there busy fighting yourselves, the enemies will occupy your land. That is the hatred that they want to implement into us. Don't allow it. I do not hate you that is following Madam Mkpụrụmmiri in America. I do not hate you that is following Nwoke Okpontu in America. Or Ikegi Egoshigi. Behaviors of those people. Legona Akparawa na preach to people. Akparawa, the only thing Akparawa can post is that Emane Oromijus is hungry. And I am begging them to post that particular video because that video makes my helpers to come. They have definitely rejected it. How can you reject a video that you have been posting? Are you not shameless? You have been posting this very video. When I beg you to post this very video, you decline. You are not posting the video anymore. This is the time to tell the world that Emane Oromijus is hungry. You people have vehemently refused to post the video. And I am thanking all of you that can post the video. May God bless all of you. Those video of hungry Emane Oromijus, put it. Because when they put that video, I have told them that God used them to help me. I receive help from people. I receive me. People help me. When they hear that particular, they will come. Oh, we have had your this thing. Oh, na that period. They thought that they were doing me. They never knew that they were marketing and helping my hungerness. People that will hear Imane, oh, Remy juice. Oh, look at, oh, he's crying, he's hungry. They will come. Now, there is a time, maka ngwakwa unu nke bụ eziokwu, ọsa nwekwara ike imemụta atị here. Ọsa a na-agwakwa gị abụ ọsa nwekwara ike imemụta atị if nothing is being done. That is the reason why I'm Akparawa and his team. If you post my video, I am going to pray for you people. Target what I don't care about what you want to target. You people should post that video for people to know. Can help am somewhere bidobieva. Help us nke unu bụkwa oge nkere. Oge nkere bụ help us unu. Atụba ego a na-enye BLA tụbatụcha eke ya unu. $1,000 nọ n'ebe a na-ebe na agụ egbuo na m. Unu na-egeti $1,000, $500, $400, $200 agụụ nọ na-eme mana oremi juice taate. Onye bụ Chiashigburu Obi nọ na-anwụ. Not a money oremi juice, please. Onye bụ Chiashigburu Obi. Former Imane oremi juice. Agụụ nọ na-eme m taate. Unu nọ na smile to the bank. Now I am telling you people to post that video. It's not good. It's not good. At least now I am not supporting Nkere. You need to use that video to make caricature of me. Tag whatever you want to tag. Tell the people that Agonji this person. At least you have followers. They will see it and know that Agonji. And they will laugh at me. Post the video. The people will laugh at me. Nagoji mane onyebuchi Ashiburobi. Agojia, and they will start looking for me to laugh at me. Maybe by the time that they finish laughing, that's just it. That's just it. You know my own. I know they hide them. I need that particular video to be in circulation, at least to attract my helpers. But these very people have vehemently refused to post it just because I am begging them. It is not good. You don't need to withhold my destiny helpers. From me from here, from the temple of the grace, I hate none of you. I hate none of you. And it has been long. I have not seen one of our brother. Okay, I saw him on a program the other day. Please, you people should follow. There is this our sister that is doing good. You people should subscribe to her own platform. I don't know, but I keep on saying I will check the name of the platform. I will check the name of the platform. I don't check the name. I will try to check the name of her platform. It seems Africa something. I have forgotten. But may God bless all of you. From me from here, from the temple of the grace here. It is good morning, please.